In your creator dashboard, there's a secret little tag called co-streaming that is very underused. In this video, I'm going to talk about what co-streaming is and how to use it.
This is how we do it when the vocals turn the rhyme and the beats start to collide and it starts to intertwine. Now it's sounding great. It's sounding great. It's sounding great.
What's going on, all you CalmCoolSavages? I'm your host, Wesley. You're watching CCS TV, and I do streaming support videos. It's the new series on the channel dedicated to helping amateur and beginner streamers on Twitch. So if you're not a Twitch streamer, unfortunately, this is not the channel for you. I did a video on my channel about co-streaming a little while back, but there was a little confusion on what it was actually supposed to be used for. So in this video, I'm going to clear up any confusion so you guys can understand co-streaming and what it does. Before we get into the video, smash like, smash subscribe. So co-streaming is a feature that lets you air another broadcast on your channel while you provide unique commentary on the action. Co-streaming is enabled for many special events and Twitch licensed programming. Co-streaming is a great way to connect with your community around the things you love besides what you normally stream. With a co-stream, you can put your unique spin on a broadcast other than your own to create a novel experience for everyone. Co-streaming is enabled for many special events on Twitch, including things like marathons, award shows, and conventions. Broadcasts like sports and TV shows, you're allowed to co-stream and provide your own commentary, but you're not allowed to archive or clip your broadcast. So co-streaming is not a way for you and your friend to stream together. Co-streaming is just a way for you to stream Twitch licensed programming on your stream and then provide your own commentary while your viewers watch. So if you want to know how to co-stream in OBS, look for the sources panel and click the plus icon. Then go to sources and add browser. A new screen will open. In the URL field, add the URL for the Twitch stream you'd like to co-stream, then click OK. Go to your creator dashboard, apply the co-stream tag. When you're ready to stream, start streaming. Now you're co-streaming. I hope this video helped to clear up any confusion on what co-streaming is and how to use it. If you guys have any further questions, leave it in the comments below. Let's have a conversation down there. I also stream over at twitch.tv/CalmCoolSavage on the daily. If you're interested, come on over, join the stream. I would love to see you there. If you liked the video, hit up the like button. If you like the content on the channel, punch out the sub button. We're on the road to 1K subs, you guys, which is totally amazing. I love you all so much. Thank you for tuning into the video. Keep it calm, keep it cool, keep it savage.